If you are preparing for GATE exam, then I have a good news for you. GATE Studify Plus provides Raksha Bandhan mega festive offer which will be valid till 10th of August. In this offer, you will get 70% off on all the courses. GATE 26 Elite Batch actual price 32,000, but after 70% off, the price will be 9,600 rupees only, and total saving 22,400. For 27 Elite Batch, actual price 48,000. After discount, price is 14,400. Total saving 33,600. Arjuna Batch, which is dedicated for maths and aptitude across all the branches, actual price 8,000. After discount, price is only 2,400 rupees. Similarly, you can see here total saving. Subject wise GATE courses 6,000 actual price, but after discount you will get only in 1,800 rupees. So to enroll in the courses, you just need to visit our website, that is studyfyplus.com. Once you will visit the website, you just need to click on course section. Here you will get Arjuna batch live, which is applicable for all the streams. Here recorded batch also available to you. Similarly guys, price already is reduced, so no need to apply any code here. Already 70% discount you can see here. Similarly for EC electrical iron elite batch, for GATE 26, for GATE 27 as well, and here GATE subject wise courses also, everywhere price already reduced, and the offer is valid till 10th of August. In the elite batch, you will get 800 plus hours of live classes, recorded videos, 4,500 GATE PYQs with detailed solution. You will get chapter test, subject test, full length mock test, practice question topic wise, and one-to-one mentorship, and many more. So guys, if you want to connect with us, if you want to contact, then you can just directly click on this, and you can contact on this given number 8200789441. Thank you.